Round and round they go, and how they'll finish, nobody knows. But most NASCAR winners know there's only one way to start, with the same DieHard battery you can buy for just racing around town.
Since 1967, DieHard has been creating and building its legacy as the leading brand in high-performance automotive batteries. After more than 50 years of providing customers with more power and durability in their vehicles, DieHard is shifting gears with their new line of DieHard Silver Touring Tires. Today, we're going to take a ride with a driver who's looking for new wheels to turn his daily bumpy drive into a more pleasant experience. And DieHard has just what he needs. The right tire with the right fit makes all the difference with your drive and safety. Roman is a general manager at GC Construction Company, a thriving family business. With 10 to 15 major projects on GC's calendar every year, Roman is on the road daily, moving from site to site, and those rough conditions are constantly putting a beating on his tires. We sent Roman over to Sears Auto Center to talk to one of their specialists about their latest line of all-season tires.
Hey man, welcome to Sears Auto. I'm there. What can I do for you today?
I'm in the market for some tires for my SUV.
What's your everyday drive like?
I'm in construction, so it's usually a rough terrain.
Okay.
I'm looking for something with a good tread, a great warranty, very durable.
I got the perfect tire for you. Follow me this way. You mentioned you've been looking for something with a longer warranty. How does 70,000 miles sound to you?
Sounds great.
Okay, so this is a DieHard tire. It's an all-season tire. It's good for all weather and road conditions. I know you heard about the DieHard batteries. It's
Yes.
been around a while. It's a very trusted brand.
Right.
And it's a very smooth ride from what you described to me. This tire will be perfect fit for you.
Great, let's do it.
One of the perks of purchasing your DieHard tires from Sears Auto is the friendly, hands-on customer service.
And apart from the mileage warranty, we also have the road hazard.
Okay.
It's like insurance for 4 years, so if you get a nail in the tire, it's free to fix at any Sears nationwide.
Okay.
If the tire can't be fixed, you'll be prorated. It covers you for 4 years. Also, rotation is free, balance is free, any Sears nationwide.
Wow, there's actually one right around the corner from my house.
There you have it.
After installing, balancing, and aligning the DieHard Silver Touring tires to Roman's vehicle, it's time to get on the road and test out the legendary brand.
How was the ride?
Smooth.
Nice. I figured it was. Any questions or concerns, you can go to any Sears nationwide.
Okay, you got it. Thank you so much.
All right.
For more information on DieHard tires and the rest of their Power Ahead products, visit diehard.com or visit your local Sears Auto Retail Center. You can also visit us at designingspaces.tv. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.